Right, so this is my own AEG Electrolux T59840, and in brackets because it's white, W. It's mine. It has a 7kg drum, and if we turn it on, also a drum light. It's used. This is the first heat pump on the market, of UK market, shall I say. Price probably about £200 more than the equivalent condenser at the time of each brand, and this has been heavily reworked, and even at that, it's not actually fully finished. But anyway, it's a heat pump, 8 years old, and it's had replacement door. In fact, this door was from the John Lewis JLTDH, and it was put on that as a newsie there, but I've now bought a replacement door for that, and this is going on here because the original door had been chewed by a dog. This has been replaced. It got ripped there, so that's from the John Lewis as well. The heat pump was the main problem, dragging too much energy through it. If we take a look here, it's a bit, I've cleaned it up a little bit. This actual thing's actually from the John Lewis. It didn't really matter, it was the same one anyway. This has been modified. It's been cut away on the inside for these thins to fit over the... this one has a radiator in front of the fan, which this heat pump, unlike the AEGs. The John Lewis is 2011, so it was a later model. Right, so we'll just nip on to the actual programs. You get quite a lot, so obviously you get sets of dry programs with Cotton's Extra, Intensive Storage and Iron. Now if you watch these little icons here, you actually see which one's light. So we've got Iron, Storage, Intensive and Extra. Now there's 5 settings on the JLTDH 15. So you've got Iron, and then Damp, and Cupboard Dry, then Store Dry, which is, this is Intensive, and then Extra Dry. Also that means Cool Down and Anti-Crease when it's activated. Talking of controls, so you obviously a dryness adjuster. And then spin speed, basically, this gives you the approximate time, depending on which spin speed you are spun at in your washing machine. And this model, it goes up to 1800 RPM. We're going to keep it set at 1800 RPM, but if you use the 3 dashes, that means it's a preset to match the AEG, any AEG. So preset there is 1000 RPM, because if I select 1000 there, it goes back out to 2 hours 30. Long anti-crease increases it from 30 minutes to 90 minutes, same as JLTDH, and the buzzer is that. And I'm pretty sure if you press these two together, you'll end up with a trial lock. Maybe. But we'll see. We'll select a driver program one day and see if we can do it. We'll say in a minute. We'll do it in a minute. So now the preset's gone like that. Again, that's the 1000 RPM. Then you got time, up to 3 hours. Freshen up. Microfiber, mixed, bed linen, viscose, jeans, which is a long program. For half load of jeans, but obviously the max there is only 1200 RPM. You see how long it takes. Presumably it'll dry on high, and then you got sports light, which will probably be low. Shirts, the iron, easy iron icon there, iron dry, so it doesn't get fully dry, and then easy iron plus is the very similar. If you notice, they're both at the same time. Silk and wool. Wool's really long, and it's presets that cupboard dry. 1 hour 35. Remember, that only takes up to about 2 kilo, and you got 24 hours starts. So anyway, this is my own dryer. So a lot of work done to it. Most of the parts pinched from the JLTDH, and it's nearly fully running. The only thing missing from it is a seal at the back. So when it's in operation, it's not quiet, but it's not noisy either. I'm not saying it's completely deafening, but you can hear the wind rushing around. So we're going to put this back here, and we're going to do a load in it.